All right, go ahead.
Hey guys, today we fixed up our goat cart like just in one day. It took us a couple of hours and we figured out what was wrong, because before, the history with my dad was very bad because he crashed the goat cart, flipped it over. So we fixed it today and so far it's all good. We're still adding a little things here and there, but it starts and runs and goes.
Okay, so let's see. So can you tell me what kind of problems we had? You want to start with the gas? Let's start with the gas.
Okay, so the gas right here was leaking, so we put a new tube and whatever this called back on.
Yep, it's filter, and we put a new hose. Yep.
And then this right here, the brake.
You forgot this was loose. We tightened this.
Oh
up.
yeah, this is loose. Tightened it up. This thing right here is the brakes.
Mm-hmm.
The clamp wouldn't. Just tires wouldn't move, so we had to take the whole brake off. And then we had to fix it, and then we had to put it back on, and then...
Okay, hold on. So what did we have to do to fix it? You remember what was broke?
No, I don't.
Okay, so like he said, the caliper was crushing the disc, and it wouldn't release.
And then
so
here,
over
the
here,
fluid thing.
So this is the master cylinder right here.
Yeah.
Right. What do we have to do with that?
We had to take out the fluid.
We had to take the whole master cylinder out.
Yeah, and then we had to take out the fluid because it was all rusty.
Yeah.
And the stop pedal, this thing right here is supposed to hit the spring. The spring's supposed to go in somewhere here and stop it, but it wouldn't stop, and this was all rusted out. So we took it apart, and my dad had some cleaner, and he fixed that.
Right. So there's a plunger inside the master cylinder, and there's a spring on the other side. And when you push on the stop, it's supposed to kick back. It wasn't kicking back. It was just going in and not hitting. So the plunger was stuck in there. So we took the master cylinder out, took it all apart, cleaned all the rust off, put it back together. We had to bleed the brakes, put new fluid in it, and now the brakes work. What else do we have to fix? Oh, the tires, all flat.
They were all off the rim.
Yep, they were off. This one was really off the rim. This one was off the rim. So we filled those up with air, and I just put a battery on it. We were jumpering it. Now we just got a little battery with a bungee cord strapped on there. And now let's see, does it start up? It's gonna run out of gas. Here we go. Here he goes. And it's raining. Okay, well there it is. It's going back into the trailer. It's the only place I have to keep it right now until we drive it again, probably next weekend.
Yeah, I guess I might do some more videos on it, maybe like customize it or something.
Customize it, put some chrome wheels on it, and jack it up, and I would like to take it out, maybe out to some trails or something.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, that'd be fun, right?
But then it's only a one-person seat.
The other thing is we're out of gas, so I don't have any other gas put in it, and I don't feel like siphoning out of anything else. So, and it's raining, so this day is pretty much good done. But there we go. Ready? Lift it up. You gotta do it. Hey, come here, help. There he goes. There's my helper. Running away.